What's up YouTube, welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in previous video I have taught you how you can open and read the file. In this video I will show you how you can copy paste the item in the file.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
Let's say if you want to copy this and paste it again, you have to do copy and then go to the next line and paste it. But in Python you can do something easy. So that if you are thinking of if you print this file 2 times, it will show 2 times. Let me show you what will happen if we do this. Save it and run it. It will just show a space because the Python read the file with this cursor. Let me show you this, like this. It goes to this, and after this the program has been stopped. It will go down. It shows nothing down here, so it will not take anything, just put a space, which you have seen here. But if you want to copy and paste this, you can simply delete it and create a next variable. Let's say content equals to files dot read. Okay, then print this. Simply copy this and put again here. This will look you foolishness, but if you have a long file which is I think 100 characters, 1000 character, you cannot copy them and paste it again. It will be easy in Python to copy this and paste it again, and after that sorry, wait, you have to not copy this, you have to print it 2 times. Print content and copy this and paste it again. As many times as you paste it, it will show you. Let me show you. Wait, I have not saved it. Python .py. You can see it has been printed 2 times, and if I print it again, and again run it, you can see 3 times. After this, it is a good practice to close the file because it has been stored in a temporary memory and it can be very harmful for your RAM. It can slow it, so that's why we will close this file. For closing the file, simply type the variable name files dot close. This will close the file. Let me show you. After that, if you try to print the content again, it will give an error. Let me show you 4 times. Okay guys, it has run because we have created this variable and not deleted this variable, and we want to, if we run this, it will not run. Let me show you. If you print the file dot read, and if you try to run this out, it will show an error after the third. So Whenever you create a file in Python, remember to delete it to save your memory. Thank you, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.